Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle and this channel is all about showcasing the hottest hair trends. Today's video is going to showcase a variety of bob haircut ideas, so if you are thinking of cutting your hair into a bob, this video is definitely for you. Today we're going to showcase a variety of different ways that you can rock this trend, from bold hair coloring to highlights to different silhouettes, the angled bob, inverted bob, so many different ways that you can wear this trend. So if you are thinking of getting your hair cut this season, be sure to like this video if you feel inspired, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.